Brisket was tasty. Look at this Vols Tennessee bow tie. Now I want to try the hot and spicy beef jerky from Buc-Ee'S. Thank you, Buc-Ee. I got me some, oh, the spices are kicking in. I'm just kidding. Got a picture of Buc-Ee. Got a shirt. I'm talking, and the spices are a little bit kicking in. What'd you get, a cup? All kinds of stuff from Buc-Ee. And a picture with him. I didn't mention that. Saw Buc-Ee himself. So, how'd you like it? Little Buc-Ee over here. Just go with it, reference. Just go with it. There's a monkey. Shrek and SpongeBob. That's cool.
Just nice.
Win me. That's cool. Huh. Hey, there's a Starbucks thing. Cup. Which one are you trying for? Trying for that long one? Huh?
The long one?
No? Why not?
Wow, it's heavier.
It's cooler. Huh. Or it's in a trading card vending machine. Huh. We made it to the Rainforest Cafe. Mom don't like to eat outside, but yeah. They also have an aquarium one, and it's like you're underwater. And this is like you're in a rainforest. Huh. Taste the tropics. Dinosaur. What's the drink? Buy the drink, keep the glass. Huh. I hope so. Hey, look at the little frog I see. Now that's what I want.
Oh, I like the moon.
Pretty decent light, I guess, considering we're in the dark rainforest.
Hey guys, I'm driving.
We're playing conga music. Or if people like make reservations and like say like specific seats they want to sit at, like I want a seat right beside the elephant or the ape. Yeah, can I get I want the seat right near the big old lion. I want the seat right beside the cougar. Wait, what? Mom wanted to go here and knew of this place, but the only reason I knew of it was because Paul Blart, when he blew it up in the movie Mall Cop, Kevin James, he's in the Rainforest Cafe, and that's when I knew it from. Oh gosh, a monkey. Something's happening. What the heck? This is like Jurassic Jungle Boat ride, except you're eating. It's getting dark. It's thundering in the rainforest. That's moving. It's scary if that thing moves. In the jungle. I think we're calm now. Hey, it's playing for King and Country in the Rainforest. They live in Nashville. It'd be awesome if we seen for King and Country. They sung this song with Dolly. It'd be awesome if Dolly made a guest appearance tonight with Zach Williams. Another one she sang with. We're going to the Opry to see Zach Williams.
Like one of these special drinks, so it's really you can get it in any cup you want.
So you just get a regular drink. Okay.
Okay.
Alright. And then
With lemon? No lemon. Okay.
is the icy refills?
It's $1.99 for refill.
Monkey.
Did you get it inside?
It's hard to. Alright, we got some Goo Goo clusters that Dolly Parton sent to Sylvester Stallone. Peanut butter, rhinestone. Peanut butter, it's supposed to be more than peanut butter. The original and pecan, whatever. I don't even know. First up is, well, we should do the original first, but pecan. I don't taste a pecan. Mommy ale or pecan sour. We're gonna try the original Goo Goo cluster, the peanut caramel and nougat covered in milk chocolate. It says how to enjoy. Tear open, place in mouth, chew carefully. That's for sure. Aww. Whoa, two nuts. That's pretty good. Tastes like something I've tasted before. Kind of like a Snickers. Peanut butter. Right? Cluster. Yeah. Goo Goo cluster. This is a little more smooth. That's like a Reese's. Nuts. You can make your own there. You can do white chocolate, cinnamon toast crunch on it. All kinds of stuff there. Pretty good. Right across from the Johnny Cash Museum. Now leave me be. Bye.